Vice President Leni is proud of her firstborn Aika. In a Facebook post, the VP shared a newspaper article profiling Aika's public service work. Robredo is proud of Aika for choosing to serve the public while steering clear of public office. After Aika graduated from the Harvard Kennedy School in 2018, she returned to the Philippines and worked with non-government organizations that help communities recover from disasters. Even if she grew up with a politician forefather, Aika declined to be directly involved in Jesse Robredo's work and opted to remain in the background. Aika also helped VP Leni co-parent her siblings after her father's death. She also played an active role when her mother decided to enter public office. But even if Aika shunned the limelight, Robredo said her eldest remains very busy.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.